Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of April 4th through the 10th in my horizontal planner. This is classic size. This is the one I use for hand lettering, practicing my hand lettering with inspirational quotes. And the theme I'm going with for this one is Stay Magical from A to Z Planner Themes 2022. And I have this Layering Basics book from Amber Plans Her Day. I don't know if it's still available or not. I'll try to remember to link it in the description box. But I just love, it's got some swishes and it's got these ink blot kind of things, these. And so I pictured, like, what if when I was a kid and those, you'd see those carnations bouquets in the grocery stores that had all these colors that were not actually found in nature. And I know how they do it, right? They have them, they put them in dyed water and the white flowers absorb the dye and that's what makes them that color. But I just like the idea of it being magical. So what I thought I would do is make this like what the flower is growing out of. And then I have the Pressed Florals book. This is actually a combination of the Value Pack sticker book and the accessory pack. I will link in the cards up above how the video on how I combine books like that. But I thought, like, these florals and the ones that are half and half, so these just look kind of fun and magical to me. The actual, like, photorealistic floral on the drawn foil base. And so I thought I would use these blobs as what these flowers are growing out of. And so for I didn't know what colors I was going to do, and then I flipped to this first week of the new month and it's yellow. So I think I want to use these. And if I can find florals that have the matching colors to grow out, that'll be even more magical. So let's do that. And then I've got lots of options for boxes for who to attribute the quotes to. Oh, there was some more. I don't want to use just photorealistic though. I think I want to use, like, so I could, if I need more, and it looks like I'm going to because there aren't a lot of pink and yellow and red to go with these, I can use these and then use a smaller sticker to cover that top of the floral, or I could use some of these greens. So let's like, these can be put on a stem, you know what I mean, to make more of these. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Oh yeah, there's lots of those too. So I want to put one of these, like, maybe when it first starts absorbing the magic, it looks like this, but eventually it blooms into, like, the photorealistic one. If that, does that make any sense? It does in my head. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to start where I always start, just because I can't think far enough ahead to figure out what needs to go where if I don't. I'll admit it. So let's go ahead and just start with, let's see, there are 6 of these and I need 7 or 8, but some of them are just so gigantic that, plus I have the paper ones. So there's in this book, which is falling apart, there's a sheet of clear and a sheet of paper. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use the clear. I used a lot of the paper ones already. The colors, you can see the colors, maybe you can't see. The colors on the clear are slightly, I think, more saturated than the ones on the paper. So, all right, let's give this a shot. So I'm going to start by covering up. I guess I could use a paper one there to really, maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll use one paper one here to cover up the whiteout. I think I'll use this one just to cover up the whiteout. I'm going to bring the flatter part of the sticker down just a little bit. There. All right. And then I want to pick a couple of these florals to plant in it, if you know what I mean. So let's pick, let me flip them back and forth a lot, I think. So for example, this one, I might do fewer clusters. We'll see. let's find, those are all too big for this space. So let's find a gold, a small gold. Here's a small-ish gold. And we're gonna plant it here. All right, but then I'm gonna cover that up with a photorealistic top like this yellow one. So basically recreating those other ones, and then yeah, like these, and then oh, it's that one right there. I do still want one of these cartoon ones though, these drawn ones. So let's see, maybe since that's yellow, let's do a red one. Or maybe this little, no, let's do the red one. I wish it was turning the other way, but that's okay. That looks kind of magical. All right, next we'll go with this one that I had pulled out initially. And maybe I should put a box under it. One of the Who to Attribute the Quote To boxes. So if I do yellow with this one, well, there's yellow lines though. Maybe I should stick less with yellow and more with the peaches and reds and pinks. So let's put this here. This, I might just need to make this one giant cluster because I'm running out of room the way I'm doing this. So what if I go ahead and put another one of these, one that really I could use right side up or upside down, and put here, and then bring the flowers up. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but we're gonna do it. Okay, now I need my magical flowers growing up out of there. Like I said, lots of flipping back and forth. Here we go. I like this one. Yeah, see, these are way too big. I'm gonna need to do like this, combined clusters, kind of. Okay, and then let's see if we can find a yellow one to go with that. Here we go. Let's grow this one out of there. Yeah. Yep. I like that. That's cute. Okay, so now I'm thinking, so since I'm doing two, I think I want to do my two here so it's staggered a little bit, and then we'll just have to try to do something small above and below it. So let's do another staggered, another double one right here. Maybe this one. And then I got kind of red up there, so let's look for, how about some pink? Is there enough pink in this? Oh yeah, I think there is. So let's come way down here with this. And we'll put our blobby on there. And then up here with this one. Okay, now we need our magical flowers in between. I could definitely use one of these as a head to a flower. Let's see what pink options I have here first. I like this one. It's super tall. It could come clear up there. Awesome. Okay. Now let's see. I want foil and a realistic. So there's those I can use if I need. Or the green foil, but I have all gold so far. Okay, I like these, but they're gigantic. I think they're too big. Yeah, see that one? Yeah, that's way too big. Okay, so we're gonna make one. Lots of flipping, like I said. Here we go. Okay, let's grab like this one. Okay, and we just need to cover that with something pink. So like one of these. These are all paper, so that's nice. That works out well. Maybe this one. Oh, perfect. I like it. Here we go. Ooh, that's awesome. Okay, so let's put a little something here and a little something here, and I think that'll be good enough. So I have my 4 boxes. So the good news is, since I have smaller amount of space here, I already have 4 tribute boxes, so I don't need any more, and that's gonna help. So I just need to figure out a couple more blobbies. Now what I could do, since my space is limited, I could take one of these fatter ones and cut it in half and use half down on each one. Let's do that. Let's, the question is, this one's a little pinker and this one's a little redder. I think I want this pinker one that I can't get off the page. There we go. All right, so let's get this book out of the way. I don't spend as much time decorating this planner because the true decoration in this planner is the hand-lettered quotes. So, all right, so we're gonna put this one down here like this. And we're basically gonna do the same with the other half of this one. I mean, I could do it, no, I want it down low. Okay, so I've got yellow there and red there. So let's do red down here and yellow up here to kind of spread them out a little bit. Although I've got, that one's yellow. So let's look for a reddish drawn floral, like this one is perfect. And I got red there, so I'll put a yellow one there. Okay, that's perfect. So just keeping everything kind of random and spread apart. There we go. All right, let's grab a yellow one while we're here. And then the magic flowers. So this is one big floral. I don't want the purple. I could use white, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a couple replacements like I did before. So the thing is, I need short ones. I can chop them off too, so we'll just do that. Just gonna grab my craft knife and cut this off where it sticks down past the magic it's growing out of, you know what I mean? And then another one for here. Just grabbing the shortest ones. This one can come way, way up because of that being April up there. So I don't mind that one going way up. Okay, so I wanted red down here and yellow up there. So here's red. I think that's my only option. It matches that one, but that's okay. Yeah, that's the only red flower there is in this book. So let's just grab one of these. Oh, I almost put it on the wrong place. Perfect. And then I want yellow here. Is this the only yellow option I have? It basically is. There's a nice big one though. I could put the giant one on there. Yep, that's the same one. All the reds are the same, all the yellows are the same. So, oh wait, there was a different one. Here's a different one. Let's use this one. Oop. Don't stick. There. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. That looks magical, I think. So there we go. There is my Stay Magical spread, floral spread in my hand-lettered quotes planner. I encourage you, especially if you're following my Sunday lettering videos, to, even if it's just taking notebook pages, create yourself a safe space that is in your planner to start doing some hand lettering that is not guided practice, so that you raise your comfort level. We're halfway through the alphabet. We're 13 weeks in, 26 letters, so we're halfway through the lowercase alphabet. So we're getting to a point where you're going to be able to start writing some words. And when you go to write in your planner for the very first time, it takes some guts, like, because these aren't erasable, right? Now, worst case, you can always just put a sticker over it if you mess it up. But again, I think it helped me, at least with my comfort level, to create this safe space to start getting used to just grabbing a pen and going and putting some actual lettering in my planner. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.